Reminder, beware of ideas that are not your own. Reminder, beware of ideas that are not your own.
They found him.
Who?
I hate it when you do that.
I'm practicing. Who'd they find?
David.
Sid! Oh, thank God. Hey.
Over here.
You're...
Neat, huh?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Something wrong?
I'm just feeling a bit... I'm just questioning myself, and I know I promised I wouldn't tell, but if I tell you and you're the one... It's complicated, okay?
What are you saying?
I know who took me in the orb.
You lied?
Withheld.
What's the difference?
Do you want to know who took me or not?
Yes.
It was you.
Me what?
In the orb.
Me the cat?
Can you... Would you... Can you switch back to your body? Because I...
Happy?